Welcome to our channel Credence Investments. Technology-driven mutual funds research and advisory. Today we are excited to kick off a new monthly series where we are going to compare the monthly returns of all mid-cap category mutual funds. Please subscribe to our channel as we will be uploading these comparisons on a monthly basis, so stay tuned for regular updates. Let's get started. We are going to do a comparison of monthly percentage returns from 1st July 2024 to 31st July 2024 of all mutual funds under mid-cap category. Here is a comprehensive report for all funds under equity mid-cap category for the specified month 1st July 2024 to 31st July 2024. The category average for this period is 3.687%. The category average percentage is calculated as average of percentage returns of all mid-cap mutual funds listed below. For reference, we have also included the Nifty Midcap 150 Index Fund return and the Nifty 50 Index Fund return for the same period to see how the all mid-cap funds performed against these indices. Now let's move on to the report. The columns include all mid-cap fund names, the launch date of these funds, which indicate the date of the first available NAV data for these funds available with us. Next columns are the NAV from 1st July 2024 to 31st July 2024. And the percentage return of each fund during this period. The report is sorted with the mid-cap funds that had the highest returns during this period at the top. UTI Mid-Cap Fund 5.18%. Let's go through the percentage returns of all mid-cap funds category in descending order of their returns percentage. The fund's return percentage highlighted in red could not be the category average of 3.687% during this month. We have a total of 29 funds direct plan in the mid-cap category in this report. The last fund on the report, PGIM India Midcap Opportunities Fund, gave the least return for this month. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon, like, comment and share for more videos on mutual funds research and analysis.